That's a container. That's specific, or is that
Cover Union Square today. It's one of the busier areas of Manhattan. It's a big park that people like to hang out in. Just a lot of activity around, even on a weekday like this. It's about 50 degrees today. All overcast. Not that cold really for January in New York. So we're on 14th Street and we'll head into the park shortly and give you a glimpse of what 14th looks like around here. It's a Whole Foods on the corner, a few stores. And then the subway and the park, which we'll head into now.
I took care of her daughter.
I have to come back here in summer again because it gets really crowded and people just, hang out on the stairs. A lot of kind of some activities happen in the park also at the same time. So we'll have to do a summer series at some point and include all these parks and things that I've been seeing during winter. See how they compare. Inside the park. It's also not a large park, but could this just kind of hang out. You'll see, as with everywhere else, a lot of the times during lunchtime, people from the office buildings in close vicinity will come out and eat their lunches on the benches. Just get some outside time from the offices during the course of the week.
I remember. What? Yeah, like I was like,
Little playground over there as well for the kids. That's really it, to be honest. Like I say, on the weekends and in summertime it gets a lot more lively. We'll have markets around here as well. I think there's a farmers market that gets set up on the weekends especially. And during like summertime and warmer seasons they'll do light activations and things like that. It's also one of the mass transit hubs. A lot of lines kind of come together also. We'll head up Broadway a little bit after this, but I think that'll kind of do it for Union Square, the Union Square tour. Some really nice vantage points from around here especially. Let us know what you think of this one. Thanks for watching.